not the amount of the money is deciding the happiness. How we manage money deciding the happiness. We are finding the way to spend money, not finding the way to save money. So income increased, but financial discipline has not yet. That is a problem. The children asking, I need mobile, I need book, I need a pen, I need some doll. Many things they are asking, ice cream, what or maybe. So simply they are giving. They are thinking that we have enough money. So they also, after become adult, they also have the habit of spending money.
Hi everyone, welcome to Storymakers. On today's show, we are bringing you the leader who believes that businesses should serve the society. With us today, we have Krishnakumar K, who is the chairman and director of Oleevia Grameen Credits. It's the bank which is serving a lot of people who are not able to get their credentials, and now they are getting through this bank. He also believes in giving this menstrual wellness leave to women. He's been working, pioneering on this, and he's doing a lot for the society. My dear friends, I'm super excited because I'm sharing the stage with the leader. Please allow me to welcome Mr. Krishnakumar K on the sets of Storymakers. A very warm welcome to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's such a great honor that you've come all the way here to us for this show. We are very, very happy to have you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I would like to start with the very first question. We know that you are doing a lot for the society, and you are in the financial sector also. You're working for people who are very poor. I want to start with this first question, which is you often believe that families are they are very strong rooted. If there are families who are financially fit, they are the ones who are going to serve the nation. Why do you believe in this?
Because the nation is a collection of families. So once the families are financially strong, that means they are managing the financial things strongly, then the country will automatically strong. If they are very stressed in the financially, all the families, automatically it will impact the nations. That means we are thinking that all the financial growth, economic growth, everything's happening or planning from the parliament or ministry or stock market. But actually, the financial growth starts from the kitchen, start from the dining table, start from the family discussions. That is the basic. So once the family, in a family, they started to manage the finance properly, it will impact positively the nations. That means it should discuss in the family. So currently what's happening there, majority of the parents, they are not revealing or openly saying their financial status to their children.
Correct,
So
correct.
what are the requirement needed for the children, they are giving simply. The children asking, I need mobile, I need book, I need a pen, I need some doll, many things they are asking, ice cream, what or maybe. So simply they are giving. But we should make them understand from there this money is coming, what the efforts are behind this. Then only they understand the value of the money.
Correct,
So
correct.
not only that, if the parent, for a mother or father, if they're arranging the school things or school fees or anything by loan, they should say to their children, okay, even the house is under the loan, you we must say what we are doing, we are hiding all those things. So our children don't know what's happening. They are thinking that we have enough money. So they also, after become adult, they also have the habit of spending money. So in family, if we corrected the family, the exact financial management, 90% of the financial problem in the country will be vanished without any new income.
Very rightly said.
Correct,
Very
correct.
rightly said. That we have to teach or have to become financially sorted right in the house,
Yes,
so
yes,
that
yes.
the nation is also affected this way.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That means they should plan in the
Yes.
house, in the month starting itself. This is our salary.
Hmm.
Okay, how much we have to spend, this is our rent, what this is our EMI, whatever maybe,
Correct.
and we should save also.
Correct.
Yeah, that we
Correct.
should have.
Correct. So, when we say that earning more money, this is automatically, does this mean that a family is financially sorted? That some family is earning good amount of money, but do we call them that? Yeah, they are financially very fit. They're very secured.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's a myth in the society, because people are thinking that if we, and currently I have some liabilities, if I get more money everything will be solved.
Yes.
It's never, because we can see that some people are getting 25,000 salary, they are very peaceful, they are happy, but some people are getting 5 lakhs per month even though they are in
They're not very happy.
stressed.
Huh.
So that means not the amount of the money is deciding the happiness.
Mm.
How we manage money deciding the happiness. Correct? Yeah, because for example, even in your case or in any of our employment working people, they are thinking that if their first salary may be 10,000 or 15,000, so after few months they are thinking that if I get 20,000 my problem will be solved, right? But even after they got 50,000, 50,000, their problem will be the same.
Correct.
That means not the amount of money received as a salary or income, not deciding the happiness. How we manage the money. There is a exact calculation for that. Currently, what we are doing this, we are finding the way to spend money, not finding the way to save money.
Beautifully said.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Right.
We are and every month we are trying to build more EMIs. Okay, correct. It's yeah, that is true. Because an employee funds first joined, 30 to 45 years back. If a person get job, he he's starting the savings from the salary. But what's happening now? From the beginning of his job, he's starting the EMIs,
Hmm.
right? Car EMI, mobile EMI, so many EMIs are there.
Correct. Correct.
So EMIs is forcing him to live, not the savings.
Hmm.
So every day he's adding the stress, more stress.
Hmm.
Sometimes they forced to go for job because of this EMI. In the last day, I noticed a joke in the WhatsApp. It was one guy is saying that, yeah, January salary is finished, but still January month is remaining, right? Because before the 5th or 10th, his salary is vanished, finished,
Correct.
everything,
Correct.
nothing is.
Correct.
But still, again,
There
another
is a
20
month
days
ahead.
there in January.
Yes.
This is the situation of the people. That means
Hmm.
the lack of proper financial management.
That's a very true thing here. People are into buying and accumulating things, but they're not saving, and that's there. This is where we're all bleeding.
Correct, correct.
Financially managing your own things is very important. How to manage your finances. This is you very rightly said. So, Mr. Krishna, I've seen that people who are having higher income, and they also have digital banking. Still, there are families, they are stressed. They are they are really feeling financial distress in their life. Why is this happening when they are so financially fit also?
Yes, you are absolutely right. Because you can see that one person joined for any job, or they started some shops, whatever maybe, their income increased actually. The first salary may be 20,000.
Hmm.
But after 5 years or 7 years, maybe reached up to 1 lakh. So income increased, but financial discipline has not yet. That is a problem. So that means they have no any plan of savings as well as insure. Currently, around very less percentage insured in India. Most of the people has not. We are insuring our liveless car. No life for the car, no heart for the car, no heart for the mobile, but we are insuring.
Insurance.
But we are not insuring our body or life or our health. So in our case, you just think that how the main a big amount of money is spending when we hospitalized, right? It's a unexpected
Cost that
uncertainty.
comes,
Yeah, yeah.
yes.
So no money with any people for hospital cases. Okay, so if any accident maybe or any other diseases, so a lakhs of rupees, maybe 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs for hospital case. Sometimes some people are selling their house for the any surgery purpose. But
Correct.
if they plan about their health expense as insurance, it may be cost per month maybe 500 or maybe 700 for securing their health for 5 lakhs, but they are not thinking about it. Yeah, so that means even they have increased income, no any financial disciplines. They are not thinking about at least save how much money every month. Even uh, no, currently especially the private sector. In the government sector, maybe they know their salary is this, no any incentive is there. It will increase only after 5 years or 10 years the increment for them. But in private sector, they are thinking that I will get money in the next month, maybe incentive or something. So on that base, they are moving forward with more and more liabilities. They are not thinking about any kind of savings or investments. That means we need a passive income actually. Currently we are depending only income. There are two types of income. We should understand there are two types of income. One is income, second one passive income. Passive income means first income is we are working. Okay, the physical or our mental creativity or work needed for generating income. Passive income means our money is working for us, right? That's the difference.
That's like savings
Yeah,
and
investments.
investments.
Investments are making the passive income. You
Hmm.
can invest in any shares or mutual funds. Your money is working for you. Or you can be part of any small shops. For example, if someone is getting 1 lakh per month, so they can use the money for a little 55 percentage for their necessity and all. You just 10,000 invest in somewhere for passive income. Okay, every month you should get something.
Correct.
Or what's happening here, one person is joined for a job, immediately they are taking 40 lakhs or 50 lakhs of housing loan. So from the housing loan actually we are not getting anything, we are again paying the EMI. But if they buy a commercial building, they are getting lifelong rental income.
Right.
That's called passive income.
Passive income.
Yeah, so
Okay.
that means we should plan about the savings for insurance and investment, that kind of things we need.
You said it very right that whatever that we are earning, we must have plan to save it.
Yes, yes,
And investment plans are good to go if you want to be financially
correct.
stress free.
Yeah, yeah.
Now, we are like we all want to buy a lot of things, and then there is a thing called getting credits and loans.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? Are they like some kind of a problem things for us that if we very easily getting loans, people are still stressed? Is it a good thing to get loans, or is it a good news that okay, fine, you can buy your products, you can buy your things and have a loan? What is it like? Does this bring more stress, or it is a good thing to have?
Yeah, actually, credits is not dangerous, but uneducated credit is dangerous. That means we should use the credit facility only for productive purpose. Okay, but what's happening now? We are taking the credits for for the marriage of our daughter, sometime for buying iPhone, sometime buying a new car. So there's no any productivity from that loan. But you can avail the credit facility for productive purpose. That means you can start some small business. Okay, you can use for buying gold. That's okay, good, because
Okay.
gold is price increasing day by day.
Increasing, yes,
You
yes.
can take loan for buying gold now.
Okay.
In the last year, around above 40% the hike in the gold price,
Hmm.
right? Last 3 years 69% is the gold price increase. So if you avail the credit of 10 lakh and you bought the gold and you are paying the credits by EMI, you are accumulating a good savings or investment there in the gold, because already you paid the EMI. Because of every month you are paying, your interest maybe comes down to 6 percentage. Even it is 12 or 13 percentage every month you are paying to principal and interest. The effective interest may be 6 percentage, but gold price is increased to 40 to 50 or 60 percentage. So you are created a big investments, good asset there. But what's happening there, here we should educate the people. We will avail only the credits for productive purpose. That's the main thing we should understand. Yeah.
So, for you, so giving credits for a good use, if you're using the loans, then it's a good thing to have, right?
Yes, yes,
All
yes.
right.
Basically, uh, we can avail the loans or credit uh, only on the base of logics, not emotionally. We are buying something sometime emotionally. The emotional credits using will be make poverty, but logic will be creating the assets. For example, uh, you know, our daughter or son needs some toys, so she or he is crying for that. It may be cost around 2000 rupees or 3000 rupees. Emotionally it's okay, oh I want to buy for them, but it may be you are taking the loan for this kid. Sometimes in many houses happening there.
Correct,
Yeah,
correct.
even the 8th standard student asking for iPhone.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's cost around 1 lakh.
Hmm, hmm.
Sometimes the parents has no the money to buy this, because of the their children is crying or asking many times. They maybe pledge their gold in a bank, then buying a
Buying
mobile phone.
things for
That's
the restaurant.
emotional credit availing.
Correct.
But we don't go for loan with the emotional purpose. Should be logical purpose. Otherwise, okay, emotionally we purchased for just for 2 minutes or 1 hour happiness for our kids, but happening the image for 3 years. So many things. So first thing, don't buy anything emotionally. If you need it, you can buy, and you should be effective positively into your family, all the credits.
Right. Very rightly said that it should not be an emotional buying. It should be a very logical buying. And then if you logically wanting to take loan, then of course it does not bring stress. It definitely brings happiness to your life. Now, you really specify on getting children financially aware right from the school time. You are specifying on this that financial literacy should start from schools. Why do you want that at such a tender age children should start to learn about finances? Why do you think so?
We are studying, or the teachers, our society teaching everything from the childhood onwards. What is maths, chemistry, okay, tan theta, cos theta, arithmetic things. And in the in the history we are studying about the past things, decades, centuries, even 5000 or 10,000 before things we are studying. But for what purpose we are studying all the courses?
Hmm.
This is for our life, for
Correct.
job, getting a job.
Hmm.
So whatever may be, main thing is building our career. We are studying all the courses. Actually the basic of the life is, for leading the life we need the money. So we are studying everything, English, Hindi, all the languages, but basic is money for leading us. But no money management teaching in any schools, especially in India. That's a big problem. Correct. Because even in my case, or your cases, everywhere we are only studying or understanding the problem when we face the financial crisis. Then we are thinking, oh, I should not buy this, or due to the this kind of housing loan, or if due to I bought this car, high costly car, it happened. I didn't expect my job loss. Many things are only thinking after we are facing a financial crisis. But there is a big syllabus for financial management.
Hmm.
It's they are applying in the US, Japan, other countries,
Correct, correct.
in the school itself,
Hmm. Hmm.
how to save the money.
Yes.
Yeah, because we are thinking that some income is coming to us, then we are spending. If anything remains, that is savings. That's a normal concept. It's not like that. Basically, The savings is a part of a spending nature. Means we are calculating spending. For example, you are writing down every month, this is for rent, this is for milk, this is for school fees, and this is for that EMI, this EMI. But you are not writing this is for savings, this is for investments. But there is a formula for that. That means there is a model called six jar formula for financial management. And why I insisted the financial literacy or financial awareness class into the school. Why I am saying to implement. We are buying vegetables from the shops, okay, and chili powders from the shops, and some curd, whatever maybe we are buying in coconut oil or other oil for cooking. Everything bought it, but if we don't know how to cook, what will happen?
Right. It's of no use.
Yes, it's spoiled. The same
Yes.
thing happening.
Hmm.
We have sources for income, but we don't know how to manage it. So that should be teach in the schools. Then only, we can grow much more. That means not the amount of money is deciding the happiness, but the management of money is creating the happiness and peaceful life.
Very rightly said. Now, to manage, how to manage your life financially should be taught right from the school days, and it of course affects the way you lead your life ahead.
Yes, yes.
Now, when we see here, I've been hearing throughout that um, it's very important, like you're saying, to save money, invest money in the good,
Yeah,
so that you have a good future.
correct, correct.
Now, if we say that if families manage their money better, how is going to help the nation to be a better nation?
As I mentioned in the last question itself, with the financial literacy, uh, that means it creating habit. For example, we need some habits to lead our life. So we have some handwriting, we have some habit of waking up in the morning. Some people are never go to office without taking bath, that kind of habits, without brushing they will not have something. So they cannot do anything. Some people never go to the temple or any devotional place without taking bath. Some people go with a new dress only for interview, new job, new interview. That's habits. Because when we follow the habits, we cannot break it. Our brain will never allow to break it. The similar habit should be in the financial management. So whatever the amount we received, if it is a habit, we will park the money for different things. If
Yes,
it is a habit,
it's a habit, huh?
yeah. So that should be there. Similarly, what's happening in if the family planned everything from the beginning itself, we can plan everything. That means savings, insurance, and deposits, and investments, everything we can make it stable. So automatically all the bank will be stable. What happened to the banks? Because of non repayment of the loans, bank will be collapsed. So if the people are maintaining the proper financial management, the bank gets the loan repayment properly. So bank will become stable. Business will become stable. Many business also do to failed because of they given the products on credit. So money is not coming back. So they forced to shut down the business. Many supermarkets, many other business. So once this everything's flowing is perfect, all industry will be stable. So once the stable the bank, businesses, small entrepreneurs, automatically country will be stable.
Okay, now that we've understood your mindset behind how to take care of your finances, how to be very, very watchful of when you take a loan, how to use that loan, how to do investments, we've understood the concept behind what you say is that to be financially fit,
Yeah.
what we all need to do. Now, I would like to know one last question, which is a message to all the educators, to all the students who all are watching you right now, and specifically the policy makers. What is your message to them? How to be financially fit and serve the nation.
From my experience, India is no need of more money. India needs the proper money management system. Okay, we are thinking still, government will give lots of fund to for us. Even government give millions or billions to the people, we can never become rich because still our management is failure there. So whatever the money comes, we will spend again. So we must build the economic stability from the family itself. So this is needed from the policy makers, from the government side also. We should add the financial literacy program in the schools itself. Currently there is no such system. So in some banks are doing the financial literacy program, but actually what's happening in the field is they are thinking that financial literacy means cyber security, how to use UPI payment, how to avoid the financial fraud, how to use ATM, how to use credit card, what is the PIN number, how to what is the CVV, how to operate income internet banking. The people are thinking that that's a financial literacy. Actual financial literacy is how to use
Use
the
the money.
money in our life. That is a proper financial literacy. Previous some years back, even 30 to 40 years back, there was a culture in the families. When a mother starting cooking in the morning, she will keep some rice from her hand in another jar every day. They are maybe the mother is using 1 kg rice for cooking, she will keep 100 gram in a separate jar for reserving. If anything they face in future after 3 months or 4 months, she will use this rice. Every day she is keeping. That is a reserve mind. You have maybe experience in many families, a father or someone saying that, oh, no job now for due to rainy season, no jobs, or I lost the job due to some circumstances. So he may be thinking what to do. At that time the mother comes with a surprise. She maybe kept some monies in the rice jar, sometime in the below the bed, sometime in between some clothes. Everywhere she kept some small amount of money. That will help him, the father or who is the leading the family. That kind of reserving mind they had, the mothers were. Yeah, that mentality is actually following the reserve bank. That's we call the reserve bank. They are reserving something for the future. Yeah. So currently what's happening now that kind of reserving mind is not in the families. Okay, we are enjoying the present with the other people amounts. That means credit card. Actually credit card is not our amount, it's a bank's amount. So we are enjoying everything with the credit card. So we should stop that. We never use the credit card for this kind of purpose. We can use for any investment purpose or immediate cash rolling, but it should be productive, not for buying luxuries, that kind of thing we never use. That means the government should give some policy to add some training for employees also, and housewives also, because they cannot go to the school again. But we should conduct through some, there are some CDS units in the villages for women, some SHGs there. Through them we should start some financial literacy, how to save the money. And school also we have to add in the syllabus. Hmm? Then only it can be very peaceful and happy life. Because see that most of the problem in India, you just search behind the basic reason. Maybe the basic reason is financial. For gunda, they need money. For the money they are killing some person, right? For money some people are doing smuggling. Okay, for money they are selling the drugs. Okay, for money sometime the husband killing or beating the wife. Same to happen again, vice versa also. And some illegal relation also comes only for the purpose of money. So we are lacking this kind of money management, means money problem in India. We can reduce only because of financial awareness, financial literacy. We cannot solve the problem with the huge money deploying. It's not possible. The thing is, we should have proper education for this. This is I want to say
Okay.
to everyone.
Yes. So we've understood that Mr. Kumar has just told us that how important it is to be financially aware, where to invest, and you need to really be very watchful right from the tender age. We have to start this literacy when kids are very small, that you have to use your money wisely. Every money saved is money earned. That is what I really feel has been your motto, right?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Thank you so very much, Mr. Kumar, that you came here and you gave your beautiful interview on how to be financially fit. I think we all are bleeding in this. We all are, not very aware of it. Most of us are not aware of this, but the way you've just told us, it's really, really helpful. Thank you so much for coming to the show called Storymakers.
Thank you so much. Thank you, and thank you everyone.
Thank you. So, here, audience, Simran signing off from Storymakers, but I promise that I will be bringing yet another amazing leader super soon. So, stay happy and stay blessed.